Are you ready? Hi, we're back. It's the Bald Cooks. And today we're going to teach you how to cook the perfect scrambled egg on toast.
So,
Very simple.
Brad's going to do it with...
I'm going to do the eggs. Eggs, bit of butter, bosh in the pan. That's it.
No milk, no nothing.
No.
In the pan.
Creamy.
Creamy eggs.
Beautiful.
As they come.
As they come. Beautiful.
Banging.
We want one slice of toast. Bomb. Finished on top with a few little...
I'll take care of the toast.
Spring onions. You do the toast, you do the onions, I do the eggs.
Bosh, we're going to put some spring onions on it. Really finely, really finely chopped spring onions. Just give it a nice little taste. You can do it with chives actually, can't you, as well? But
everyone does it with chives.
Everyone does it with chives.
I like onions.
We're going to do it with onions because we're different, aren't we?
We're very different.
We're different. There's your eggs, mate.
There's my eggs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bosh them eggs in there first of all.
Then get the old serrated one.
Straight in.
You want a nice chunky bit of bread for this, you reckon?
Nice.
What, like that? About that?
A little bit smaller.
About that?
A little bit bigger.
Like that?
A little bit smaller.
How's that?
A little bit bigger.
How's that?
A little bit smaller.
How's that?
Perfect.
Perfect. Right, we go a little bit bigger. Right, so we're doing like that. We go straight through.
We never rehearsed that either.
No.
That was a proper comedy duo, that wasn't it?
What's that cut like as well? Look at that.
Look at that.
Bang.
Look.
Tiny.
I've only got a bit of shell in there. You don't want that. What you want to try and do is avoid that.
Do you know how to get shell out?
Yeah, my finger.
Do you know the quickest way to do it?
Yeah, my finger.
I've got a trick.
Yeah, look.
I've got a trick.
I'm out.
Do you want me to show you a trick?
Show me a trick, but I'm out.
You can do it with shell. Shell on shell.
Shell on shell.
It tracks it.
It's like girl on girl.
Yeah. Are we going there? Are we going there?
No, it's a family show. I do apologise.
Right, so I'm going to do a little bit of toast. Olive oil.
Do you want me to get that? You're going to do it on the griddle?
Yeah, do you want to get it on for us?
Yeah.
Right, olive oil on there. Going to rub that in, get it all over it, nice.
The griddle's going.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with our old seasoning, salt. Let's go with a little
I've
bit
got
more
no salt in there yet, cousin.
No, I'm not doing that, We're going to go salt, we're going to go pepper on this as well.
Mix that together. Nice drop of butter in there.
We're going to flip her over.
Don't be shy, Sam, your mum won't.
Look at that!
Straight in there, boy.
Drop a bit of butter, that, mate.
That's true butter, that. Get that on the old pan. Get whisking that on the pan.
Look at that. Oh, yes.
Melt that down. I want to be putting milk in there, make it too watery.
Yeah, do you think, Brad?
Yeah, it makes it too watery, mate. Tried it every way. This is the best way.
Yeah.
Best way.
Glossy.
It's glossy.
Well, scrambled egg, this was called, yeah.
Scrambled egg, and it's
Scrambled egg.
glossy.
It's not called scrambled egg and milk, is it?
No, because you go scrambled egg and milk, it'd be really milky.
Yeah, it'd be called scrambled egg and milk.
Scrambled egg and milk, yeah,
right.
toast. You don't want that, it's too long in the title, isn't it?
Ah, man, it's too much, isn't it? It's too much. Right, so there we go, look. Nice chunky bit of bread, bit of olive oil, bit of salt, bit of pepper. Is that on?
That's on.
Well,
you got to make sure, when you're doing your scrambled egg, don't put your salt and pepper in at the cooking process, because it breaks the egg down and it draws the water out in it. And it makes it all watery. So what you want to do is you put the salt and pepper in last knocking.
Certainly does, mate, certainly does. Very technical, that, Brad. Very technical.
Very good. Oh, quite clever, isn't it? Yeah. You want to keep moving it. Keep moving it.
Oh, mate. Like a risotto? Yeah. Like when you're making a risotto.
Yeah, but you don't add liquids.
Well,
you
yeah.
make it watery.
True, this is true. And you don't really want rice in that?
You don't want rice in that.
No.
Rice and scrambled egg.
No mushrooms?
No mushrooms.
No white wine?
No.
None of that in it?
It's breakfast, mate.
True. Alright, so scrambled egg then, and you're going to keep moving it. I'm going to clean up the side.
That's all you need. How simple is it for breakfast?
Easy.
When people sit there and they have butter on toast and that's all they have, or a bit of peanut butter on toast,
yeah.
How easy is it to do yourself a bit of scrambled egg?
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
I'm going to cut it up.
Right, it's coming together now, it's getting thicker.
Look at that.
See, that's covering the bottom of the pan, it's getting thicker now. Keep moving it.
Want to use that?
Yeah, I like that, but I like that as well. I like that. I know it's gouged the bottom, I like that, the old fork. Here we go, that's it. Heat's going now, you see that? See that turning, Sam?
Oh, shoot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that. Old bread's going, how's your toast, alright?
Yeah, she'll be doing alright there, mate. She'll be doing alright.
Perfect, look at that. Lovely. It's got some nice seasoning on that, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. Salt, pepper. You've got to season everything up while you're doing it. Obviously not your eggs.
The eggs are like an exception, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't want to be
because
doing
it
your
just breaks it down.
It does, you don't want to be doing your eggs. So here we go. I'm just going to chop a bit of this up now.
I've done it, you know, I've done the eggs, I've seasoned them. Bottom that is all water at the bottom of the pan.
That noise, Brad, do you hear that noise?
That noise, that means you're slicing and dicing chicken and rice.
There we go. I reckon one will be enough, Brad.
Right, take that off the heat now.
There we go.
Get to that stage, take that off the heat and just fold that round. Sam, have a look, mate. Look at that, look. Nice bit of scrambled egg, yeah? Take it off the heat. The heat's off.
She's done, is she?
Heat's off, mate. See how glossy that is?
I need to roll up my toast then, don't I?
Mate, I'm waiting for you,
You're waiting for me, aren't you? I'll tell you what, can you move that one over, Brad, for us?
I'll move that over there. I'll stick that on there. Like that. While that's like that, do a little bit of salt.
Oh, yes. So you go with the salt.
In you go with the pepper. I'll take the lid off. Tone tries tricking me. He puts the lid on to try and trick me and make me look stupid.
I've got you on another video like that. Right, I'll get you a plate out, mate.
A little bit of that, a little bit of that.
Nice white plate.
Look at that, look. Look at that, look. That's pucker. That's what you call a good bit of scrambled egg.
All we're waiting for is a toast.
All you're waiting for is
now, this is what you said before, right? You have plain toast for breakfast.
Toast take longer to cook than eggs.
Look, look.
Wash yourself together, a bit of scrambled egg on toast takes 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. Lovely.
6 minutes.
6 minutes, alright, 6 minutes. Yeah, but we're talking a lot. We're talking a lot.
Alright,
We're talking a lot. That's going, that's going. Eggs are ready.
We're ready to go, mate. We're nearly ready to go. Let's just get that going. I've got that pan up nice and hot now.
See that, Sam? Come in and have a look at that.
Is that how you like it, yeah?
See what I'm saying? If you added the salt first, you'd have all water residue now with the egg leaking out.
Yeah, because you see how some people cook scrambled eggs.
It breaks it down, and you have water, and you have to drain the water out the eggs.
Yeah. See, some people cook scrambled egg and they leave it really loose.
No, you don't need to. That is mint. That's
nice
lovely.
and fluffy. That's how you like it.
Mint, it's egg.
It's egg.
Nice.
You won't want to put mint in there.
Nah.
If you put mint in that, ruin it.
Be like mint scrambled eggs.
I think that'd ruin it. Be like, you know what it'd be like?
Mint and chocolate's nice.
Be like an egg after 8. That's what it would be like. Because they're mint, after 8's a mint.
Before 8.
Maybe before
what, a bit of chocolate in that?
Before 8, maybe all chocolate, egg and mint.
Chocolate, egg and mint.
That's another story.
We'll do that next time. Right, how's that?
Are we going? Are we good?
We're nearly there, mate. We're nearly there. Just push that down. Right, get it
You're
going.
not taking your time today, Tom.
See what I mean? Look, it's too
long. Taking your time today. Right, get a knife and fork ready while we're doing that.
Nearly there, nearly there. Right.
Knife and fork ready. Tom,
here we go.
Tell them that you won't be tasting this, mate.
I won't be tasting that because I don't eat eggs because you're not meant to eat the egg.
You're only meant to eat chicken.
You're meant to eat the chicken, mate. You're meant to eat the chicken.
This man is off kill.
The egg comes out the chicken, what you're meant to eat. That looks nice, Brad.
That's nice,
right,
mate.
here we go.
Right, get that on there then. You ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, mate.
What? Little drizzle of butter on that first?
Yeah, I think so. Do you want a little bit of butter on it?
I think a little bit of butter on it. I like butter.
Do you?
I don't think you can have enough of it.
Alright, if you like butter, I'm going to put you some butter on, mate. Here we go, look. Yeah.
That's about right.
Right, okay. Here we go.
Oh. Just let it sit on top a little bit.
Oh. And you know what you've got to do when you're buttering something?
Go on, to the edges.
Listen, you've got to go
to the edges. People don't go to the edges today.
Right to the edges, listen, look.
My Ted will tell you, I know how to make a good bit of toast.
Look at that.
That looks wicked.
Right to the edges. Bang.
Right to the edges. Right, you come on.
There we go, mate. Oh, yeah, that does look good, Brad. That does look good. That looks good.
Hold up. Don't waste it.
Oh, you've got some there, haven't you?
That's 3 eggs, that is.
3 eggs. 3 eggs.
Turn the old pan up.
A little bit of that on there. A little bit of that.
Hey?
And there you go.
Hey, £6.5 in the calf, that boy.
Scrambled eggs, mate.
That's £6.5 in the calf.
Thank you very much. Look.
Who ran? Hey?
It's nice, isn't it?
You having a go?
He's in the van.
I'm talking to you, son.
Yeah, you can. Yeah. You gotta have some, Sam.
What you got to say about scrambled egg on toast, bruv?
Try it.
That is wicked.
That's lovely, mate. That looks really good, actually.
That's wicked.
Shame I don't eat the eggs.
If you ate them eggs, boy, you'd be... Oh,
let us know what it tastes like, Brad.
I will, mate.
Go on. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Yeah. Beer. That's scrambled egg with beer. How's the beer go down? What's that like?
Right.
What's the seasoning like?
Right.
Perfect. Oh, yes.
Until next time?
Yes.
Till next time.
Bye-bye.